Gigi Hadid fights back against the body shamers. 20-year-old Gigi totally rocked the Versace runway at Milan Fashion Week, but the haters couldn't help themselves, clogging Gigi's Instagram comments with negativity, some ludicrously calling her fat. Well, Gigi decided to fight back with this lengthy Instagram essay. It reads in part, quote, "Your mean comments don't make me want to change my body. If I didn't have the body I do, I wouldn't have the career I do. I love that I can be sexy. I'm proud of it." Support started flooding in immediately, with everyone from Tyra to Kris Jenner and, of course, Gigi's mom Yolanda Foster getting behind Gigi's message. We're sure her boyfriend Joe Jonas is supporting her too. Joe shared this runway pic on his Instagram a few days before Gigi's post, captioning the shot, "My girl just killed it."